Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Dior holiday beauty set unboxing for 2025, and I am so excited for this year's holiday set. Finally, my order is here, and it came in with this lovely Dior Couture packaging. And then it has this lovely ribbon. Just a heads up guys, if you order something from Dior website, you will get this exclusive Dior packaging. So you have an option to get the Couture gift box and also the economy box as well. And if you are a gold member or a platinum member, so you would get an exclusive free Dior shopping bag. So if you are not a member, unfortunately, you would pay $10 for that. So if you're planning to purchase something for the holiday as a gift, I think this would be perfect. So I would suggest to take advantage of the complimentary Dior shopping bag. And on top of that, you would also have an option to add a gift message as well. So I think it's perfect. So you got the package and then the shopping bag and the gift message. Definitely it is a perfect package for the holiday. So anyway, let me show you what I got. So this one, the lovely ribbon. And then I always love the Dior box. I think that their boxes are actually made up of a very high quality materials. Okay, so I've got right here as usual with the Dior sticker. And so let me go over to the samples first. So this one, wow, I love their packaging so much. So this one, it came in with a drawstring bag. So I've got, these are the samples. So you got to choose before you checked out. Make sure you got to choose these samples. So this one, I got 2 of these right here. This one actually smells good. And then I also got this one as well right here. And then this lovely dust bag. And then I also have this free gift as well. And this is the pouch. Oh, this is see-through. This is quite nice. Very nice. Alright, so this is how it looks right here. This is very cute. So you got to see your stuff inside. I always like to get the free stuff though. That's nice thing about Dior. And then another one. Okay, so here comes the beauty set for 2025. And this is their packaging for this year. It is festive. This one has those gold foil around it. Very nice. Right there. This is the packaging. So this time I've got the volume and definition essentials. So this one came in with the mascara and primer serum. And this one is priced as around $73 US. So let me show you. Oh gosh, I am so excited for the pouch. This is the pouch that came with it. Oh my gosh. It looks so elegant. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This has this logo right here. CD. It's in gold hardware. Very nice detail. Right. So this is the side. Oh my gosh. I love those shimmers all around it. Right here. I think, yeah, those actually, some of those shimmers around it are coming off. So that's what I felt right now, but that's okay. Wow, it is so pretty. So this is my first time seeing it and I love it. I could feel the speckles of those shimmers, the glitters. Then right here, and then the zipper right here. So the zipper has those stars, and then the nice part, it came in with the handle. I love the look of it. Wow, this is stunning. I could already picture myself wearing this on the holiday dinner right here. Let's take a look at inside, and the zipper is pretty smooth. So let's open it, show you what I've got inside right here. But let's take a look at the detailed inside first. There's the logo right there. It says Dior Beauty right here, and the interior is lined with fabric. It's in white fabric, and the detail of it, it's quite astonishing. As you guys could see, the CD logo. I hope my camera is picking up. You get to see that. Wow, that is amazing. I mean, when you come to think of it, this set, the mascara set, this is $73 US with a pouch, and the detail for the pouch is amazing. Right here, look at that. It's definitely worth it. I am telling you guys that this set is definitely worth it. So right here, and then the CD logos are all around it. Very nice, very neat. And then we have the top handle, and then right here, right there. So this is pretty much more of like a makeup pouch. Since this one has a handle, so let me try to, maybe I'll try to transform this as a crossbody bag. But just with the handle itself, it looks very elegant. Let me show you the mascara and the primer serum right here. So I guess you guys are all familiar with this too. Very nice. This feels like leather to me. Oh my gosh, I just can't get over of how lovely this is. Look at this for $73 US. Look how elegant they are. Wow, it's definitely worth it, guys. And right now, I believe that Macy's and Bloomingdale's, they offer a 15% off discount for the VIP holiday. So if you go to the website, you get to see the 15% off $73. So right now, this set in particular is priced at $62.05. But the only difference is that you don't get, if you order it at Macy's and Bloomingdale's, you don't get the entire packaging. You might get a little samples from them depending on the availability of that. If you're planning to purchase something as a holiday gift, a holiday present, I would suggest to order at Dior website. But if you are just purchasing it for yourself and the packaging doesn't really matter to you, and you save a little bit of money, then you could buy it at Bloomingdale's and Macy's. I'm not sure at Nordstrom at the moment if they are if there's any discount at all, but most of the time this year, Macy's, they have a VIP sale every single year, and the maximum discount that you could get from them for the beauty is 15%. 15% is already something. So anyway, these are the items that I've got for the Diorshow Volume and Definition Essentials. And I am telling you right now, it is worth it, and it is a must-have. So for this year's holiday beauty set for Dior, they also came in with a few other sets. They have the Pink Glow Ritual. That one came in with a lip balm and lip gloss, and that is $84 US. Pretty good price. And they also have the Volume and Glow Mascara, lip oil, and a powder blush. That one is around 117 US dollars. And right now on the Macy's website, that is with 15% off. That is $99.45. That's before tax. And then number 4, they have this is actually called the Miss Dior beauty set. So if you love that fragrance, that one is 199 US dollars. So that one came in with Eau de Toilette, the lip balm and the blush for $199. And then we have the Couture lip, which came in with the lipstick, liner, and plumping gloss, and that is 127 US dollars. And right now I'm actually seeing it on Macy's. They have a different sets, yet it has a the same pouch. So yeah, this is my Dior holiday beauty set purchase. And on my next video, I will be doing a tutorial on how to attach a chain strap on this pouch. Definitely highly recommend the Dior beauty set for gifting on this upcoming holiday. If you wanted to get the entire full packaging, if you wanted your friends and family to get to experience the luxury unboxing of the Dior beauty set, I would suggest to order it online, like I have mentioned previously on from the very beginning of the video, that you could add some of the samples, those lovely Dior exclusive packaging. If you're a member, you would get the shopping bag that's complimentary, and you would also get the customized a gift message as well. And I definitely think it is worth it. I am 100% sure, and I could guarantee that they will definitely love their present this holiday. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.